All right, hello everyone. Let me take that away. My name is Kadi, and today is the 29th of April. I had it on gold. I see this breakout potential. Thank God we have like a minute left because I was mainly looking at MES or MNQ. I'm kind of waiting for a breaker structure on that to possibly then come down to this demand zone. Right here, 56 seconds. We have this uh, bullish candle right here on top of price. If you check the 1 hour, I am bullish. Um, ooh, might take this breakout, not gonna cap. 41, 41, hold. So it'll be two contracts in. All right, I'm gonna take this breakout. Buys. Where are my notes? So you can move in. Okay. So damn. Oh, this shit look bad. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this shit about to be cooked. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I guess this was just a bad trade. What I was thinking was the fact that, you know, on the 1 hour, like we're bullish. Price is like holding up price in this area. Uh, we had a rejection off of the 200. Uh, it's looking quite nice off of that one rejection. And then we didn't tap into it, but price has this gap right here, this fill value cap. We didn't tap into all of it. We still have this 1 hour demand, not untapped. But we were just looking at this area. Kind of looks like the start of a potential double bottom. And that's what I was looking at. Price above here. What we were looking for is price to break structure. Yeah, I don't know. So like I'm not gonna lie, like I did panic. So I when I got in, I only went one contract. On this, I'm supposed to be going on two. So when price, you know, went in, it just immediately went down. And so I got in on my second contract around like here in this area, and this looks like it's about to stop me out soon. Um, Kind of bummer. You know, honestly, not the best trade to take. Why did I take it? Because again, I saw the 1 hour was bullish. I saw that the 5 minute, you know, it had like some bearish structure, but with this move, price broke that and like, you know, changed the structure a little bit. And then I saw a strong bullish candle above the 13 and 50 EMA. And so I was just like, okay, this looks good to take a breakout. Granted, it's not in the best direction, but that's what I was thinking. So this probably sucks because, you know, gold probably won't. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out. Gold is about to stop me out. Meanwhile, these two are probably gonna actually take off, which is irritating. But it should stop me out on this candle. This was just a bad trade. That's okay. This is the last trading day of April, so you know, May we're gonna be coming back, but we're coming back better. Um, Sometimes you just need this. Sometimes you just take a bad trade and it's like, damn. It's a good reminder. Okay, yeah, stopped out of this trade. So we are down $62. Okay, that fucking sucks. Especially now when you're seeing MNQ and all this stuff line up, and that looks like a way better trade. Okay, well, that fucking sucks, but whatever. It wasn't my best trade.